India will make their debut in bocce and bowling as the first ever Special Olympics Asia Pacific bocce and bowling competition will begin on Tuesday in New Delhi. Special Olympics Asia Pacific bocce and bowling competition is a first of its kind event in India which empowers athletes with intellectual and developmental disabilities aged 22 and above, and this includes bowling. The 4-day competition from November 19th to November 22 will see special athletes from 12 countries vying for top honours in both sports. A total of 81 special athletes will be competing in the event, who will be assisted by 43 coaches from various teams. The competition includes multiple medal winners from Special Olympics World Summer Games held at Berlin in 2023. DD India's Narayan Singh is at the Tyagaraja Stadium in New Delhi for more. Hello Narayan. So Special Olympics Asia Pacific bocce and bowling competition is a first of its kind event being held in India. Tell us more about what's in store for the next few days.
Tanvi, as you mentioned that it's one of its kind event, and the opening ceremony has been started. The Vice President of India and the Sports Minister has arrived, and right now the march past of the 12 countries who are here to take part in has been started. The children, the special children of the 12 countries who are here to participate has doing the march past, and it's one of the best event, and we can say that to boost the morale of the athletes with intellectual disabilities. It is one of its kind event, and we know that this event is for the age category of the 22 plus, and we can say that this age category especially is the one of the overlooked age category where athletes don't get too much chances. But the Special Olympic Bharat with the international body just collaborated to give a chance to these athletes, and we can say that what an environment here is at the Tyagaraja Stadium. More than we can say that many special athletes are here to cheer the participant of this event, and we are hoping that this will not only act as a morale booster but will give a platform to the special athletes to vie for the greatness. And definitely the kind of work the Special Olympic Bharat is doing is, we can say, stupendous for these special athletes.
Yeah, indeed, we see the contingents of different countries marching behind you. So what impact will such an event have on the exposure given to special athletes of India, and what message does such events give to the society?
Tanvi, we can say that when we talk about the special athlete, the athletes with intellectual disabilities, we know that the problems they are facing, the problems their parents are facing, it is immense. But in the past few years, the kind of work has been done for these athletes especially is great, and we know that this atmosphere here at the Tyagaraja Stadium is boosting the morale of these athletes. And today there was a Asia Pacific Health Summit also there is in capital to address the health issues of these special athletes, because we know that health is an integral part of these athletes, because they can't take care of their health too much. But Special Olympic Bharat with this platform of the bocce and bowling competition which is happening first time in India, it's giving a platform to the special athletes, the athletes with intellectual disabilities, to address these issues. And right now we can see that the parade of the athletes, they are coming here, and you can see that the athletes are so happy. They are representing their country. The athletes from the 12 countries are participating here, and so that it is the best thing that there is a smile on the face of these athletes from all over the world, especially from the Asia Pacific region, and they will vie for the glory for the 4 days in the bocce and the bowling competition in New Delhi. And we know that this initiative, especially by the Special Olympic Bharat, to bring this tournament in India, it's a big achievement, and the dream of the PM Modi to make India a sports hub of the world. We know that in the recent past, India hosted many multiple events, mega events in India, like the Chess Olympiad, the Women's World Boxing Championship, Cricket World Cup, T20 World Cup. So the world is looking to India for hosting the mega event. So here once again India is hosting first time the Bochi and bowling event in Delhi, and it is at the Tyagaraja Stadium.
Okay, thank you very much. Narayan Singh there in New Delhi covering the Boche and bowling competition as part of the Special Olympics, Bharat. Thank you very much, Narayan.